What's up? Let me just check my stream if everything's okay. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another stream. It's 4 p.m., guys. We're about to do some quick analysis. You know, um, not really looking to take a long time. Just a few things to also be aware of. At 16:45, there's gonna be some news. Okay, in about 43 minutes, right? There's going to be some news that affects the US dollar. So we're just going to look through some of the markets. We're going to look at Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, GBP USD, Euro JPY, USD CHF, GBP CHF, Euro CAD. You know the good stuff. So that's what we're going to go ahead and look for. Yeah, and see what type of opportunities we can take, right? But yeah, guys, um, a few things that you need to do, before you start trading, is first like just make sure that your mindset is in the right place. Okay, make sure that your mindset is in the right place and you're ready to trade, right? Okay, and make sure that your funds are in your account. If you're going to be live trading, make sure your funds are there so that you can act when there's an opportunity, right? Make sure your funds are there. Make sure your account is verified. Things like you've uploaded all your documents, just make sure that you're ready. Okay. Um, few things I do beforehand. I already set my lot size. Okay. So depending on what I'll see, my lot size is gonna be about 0.20. I use 0.20, 0.30, 0.50 if I'm doing like Forex currencies. Like if I get a signal on that, that's what I'm gonna do. And obviously you need to know our rules. I'm sure by now you guys already understand, our trading rules. We're looking for buy signals above the 100 moving average, right? And then we're looking for sell signals below the moving average. Okay. So that's just some of the basics that needs to be in our head. Also, the fact that we are going to be looking for, what can I say, guys? We need to first also look at the economic data as well. It just helps just to know when the news is going to hit. Like, I was watching the charts because I was busy driving around town today. And then while I was driving, I was actually looking at the charts and I saw that there was a big spike around like an hour ago. And there was this high impact news that affected the euro. Okay. So that really pushed the price. Like if you look at the price right now, it could be because of that euro news that we saw. Okay, but yeah, it's very important to just have a heads up on these things so that you can just get started. Okay. Yeah, and also another thing that will help, I see a lot of people, they still want to be confused. You don't have to be confused, guys. You need to have a trading list, okay? A trading list is a group of currencies that you are going to trade consistently, right? It doesn't help to try trade every single currency that's on the market. That's not the goal, okay? Somebody was asking if I accept PayPal. Yes, I do. Just send me a DM. I'll send you the PayPal email, okay? But yeah, I do accept PayPal. I accept USDT as well, BTC, and other cryptos as well. Like if you've got some crypto that you want to pay with, like there's several crypto. My wallet accepts many, many different kinds of crypto, okay? So yeah, just let me know. But yeah, PayPal is a very good one. We always use Pay. I prefer PayPal, okay, and USDT. I prefer PayPal and USDT, right? So yeah, what else mustn't I forget, guys? Okay. Um. Also, guys, remember our goal. Okay. Let's not lose sight of our goal, right? Our goal is to find a trending market. Okay. A market with a clear direction. That's the best scenario that we want to find. Okay. We want a market that is trending, right? We want a market that's trending, right? In a clear trend, okay? That's what we want. We want a market that is in a clear trend for us to take a trade, okay? There's no forcing, there's no, it has to be clear, guys, okay? That's how we're gonna make money, right? The move has to be clear. We shouldn't be confused, and then there shouldn't be any hesitation, right? Our rules should be clearly displayed. The market should be clearly trending up or down. Let's not get it twisted, okay? But yeah, anyways, let's just get started, guys. I think we can get started. All right, I just saw a message on my account real quick, right? So yeah, we can get started. We can get started. We can get started. So where should we start? Let's start with the Euro USD. And I'm not gonna move fast, guys. I'm just gonna move. I'm gonna move nice. Okay, I'm gonna move nice. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm gonna start on the H4 chart. Okay, just to see what's happening, right? And I'm also gonna be having a look at the volatility meter just to see what's happening in the markets, right? Okay, so we're on the H4 chart. This is the Euro USD. As you guys can see from the past week, we did hit TP1, 2, and 3, and then now we're looking for other moves. You guys see the market tanked to the bottom and then reversed. Okay, so let's see what's happening on the 1 hour chart. Let's just see. Okay, interesting, 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 interesting. So I'm just cascading down, guys, okay, onto the Euro USD, right? Cascading down. You see, so I like to start on the higher time frames like the H4, then go down to the H1, right? Just to see what's happening so I can understand, okay? So there's a reversal on the Euro USD, and then we can see that the momentum now is bullish, okay? So the market looks like it wants to move to the upside, okay? So it's tradable on the H1, but let's see if we can't get a better signal. So what I like to do, guys, I'll start with the Forex majors, your Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD, and also gold, okay? Just to see, because those are the cheapest things to trade. Okay, that's where I start. You start with the cheapest things to trade and you see, okay, let's just move on. Okay, now we're looking at the USD CAD. And another thing you guys need to be careful of, trading on Monday. Usually when I start trading and we're coming from a weekend, okay, I don't trade the London session, okay? I don't trade the London session. I start in the New York session on Monday, okay? Because around the New York session time, you have a better idea of what's happening in the market, right? Because remember what's happening last week, right? We paused, and then this week something new is about to happen. So there might be a change of direction. There just might be a change of heart in the market, okay? So don't always believe what you see in the London session on a Monday. Just, from my years of experience, that's what I've picked up. Okay. Okay, what's happening on the USD CAD? We are currently on a H1 chart. Okay, let's see. So the market was ranging. If you look at the left, the market was consolidating, and it looks like it broke the support level. Okay, looks like there's a breakout, but this is all news. Okay, but anyways, according to our rules, right? Rule number one, in order to get a sell, the price must be underneath the moving average, which is what we can see right here, right? The price right now is down here at 142,913, right? And then the moving average is up here, okay? So now that's we're ticking that first box. The price is underneath the 100-period moving average. The next thing is the volatility meter is over 70%, okay? But then, now we can actually trade this thing. But one thing that you need to look out for as well is the structure of the market. You guys can see if I just move my chart around, you guys can see that the market was ranging here, okay? But the fact that it broke from the bottom is a good sign. Okay, it is a good sign. So we can actually take this trade. The way we take this trade is we take the trade from TP1 because it already hit TP1. So our next target is TP2. You guys see that? And then we can also target TP3 because you know the news event is going to hit now. So, but obviously now when it comes to the execution, because it's a breakout from a consolidation. Okay, so here let's say for me, like what I told you guys, when I open up a trade on the higher time frames, I'm using 0.20, 0.30, 0.50. Okay, so my rule is that if I get a signal, right, and the market isn't in a clear trend, but I still want to take the trade, I will go in with the lower lot size, if that makes sense to someone. Okay, that's how you navigate through this thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's just put 0.20. Just I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm not saying copy me. And then I'm gonna target TP2. Let me see how much I'm gonna, if it hits there, how much it's gonna hit. Just hold on. Okay, a young 2.5 Nyana. Not bad. Not bad. And then obviously the stop loss, you have options. Okay, you can put the stop loss where you know the system is telling you, or you can put it at the entry. It's up to you, right? It's up to you, depending on how you feel. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it just above the entry. The 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 stop loss isn't too far away. Okay, and my entry size isn't too big. Okay, it's not too big. In case now, if it reverses, I'm not gonna get hit. I'm not gonna be wiped out. Okay. So I'm explaining each and every step, guys. Hopefully you guys see something, okay? I'm doing this for your benefit so that you can see how to reason when you're doing the analysis, okay? So just like that, we've got a trade. You can even open up an additional one for TP3, all right? So let's go. I'm moving forward. USD JPY is the current chart. And on the H4 chart, guys, okay? um, if you see something like this is not a signal for us, okay? Because remember, we want to take the cells under the moving average, okay? So on the H4 chart, it's not a signal for us, right? Because the price is above the 100 period. So this sell signal that is painted here is an invalid trade for us based off of our trading rules, all right? It's okay to ask questions, guys. You know, I'm still here. You know, I'm still taking my time, like for the next 15 minutes. Then I'll just pick up after that 15 minutes. Okay. But yeah, so like when you don't see a signal on a particular time frame, then you can just cascade it down. So I usually, if I don't see anything on the H4, I just go down, bro. You see? So now we can see one thing. Okay, we see on the H1 chart the price is under the moving average, but you can, if you look to the left, if you look to the left of the market, right, if you look to the left, you can see that this market is actually ranging. Let me open up a clean chart. Okay, let me open up a clean chart so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So if you look at this chart, this is the same chart. Look at this. The market is ranging here. Okay, it is ranging. So a signal that we get from this one here, okay, I would go in with a lesser lot size than I usually do, okay, because of the range. Okay, it's not a clear trend. You see, like if we were to go back in time, right, if we were to go back in time, and I'll just put like horizontal lines so you guys can see what it is that I'm talking about. Okay, just hold on, guys. Okay, hello, friend. All right, I was just looking at some messages. Okay, I want you guys to see something. Okay, because it doesn't just help, guys, for me to just give you trades without giving you like the source of how you look at everything. Okay, so you see this horizontal line. Okay, I'm gonna draw two different horizontal lines here. I want you guys to look at the difference in price. So you can see during this period between these two horizontal lines, you can see that the market was clearly going up. Okay. So in this, we want trades in this instance, okay? When the market is clearly moving up and you don't have to second guess yourself. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for, okay? And then if you get a signal and it's not in a clear trend, right? What I would suggest is to use a lower lot size than what you'd usually go for, okay? So let's keep moving. I think I should pick up the pace a bit so that I can cover more ground, okay? Because I feel like if I take too long on a certain currency, then we're gonna miss some of the entries, all right? We're gonna miss some of the entries. So I'm just gonna just move quicker now, okay? Let's see. Euro GBP on the H4 chart, I don't see a signal. On the H1 chart, it's a ranging market. It's a ranging market right now, but they're telling us that we can buy, okay? And we can, okay? If we're desperate, we can, right? Because I do see some structure. If we're desperate to get into a trade, we can. But let's keep looking for better trades. You see, patience, guys. This is what I'm talking about. You see, like patience, if you're patient enough, right, you can ignore the trades that you're not supposed to get into, right? Let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF on the H4, I don't see a clear signal. On the H1, I don't see a clear signal, but something is happening in the markets right now. We just need to move faster, guys, okay? If there's something that you guys just want me to jump to, just type it in the chats, okay? I'll just quickly look at it and then try give my opinion, okay? There's gonna be breakouts here, guys. I'm seeing some breakout trades here with my trading eye. And the system is giving us an indication of where the market's going to go. Check this out. So this is the GBP CHF on the H4 chart. Check this out right here, okay? You see there's that support right there, and then there's this resistance over there, okay? So it's telling us that we are in a buy situation. So we can actually put a buy pending order here for this signal, but we'll come back to it if we struggle to find something that we can eat, you know? Yeah, if we have to squabble, then we'll squabble. Okay, let's keep going. CAD JPY. Maybe I should actually be writing some of these markets down. Just give me a second, guys. Just want to get a pen and paper. I want to remember. I want to remember my things, guys. Happy to see you. All right. I just want to write down on my book here which currencies I need to go back and look at, and on what time frame. So CAD JPY, CAD JPY is piquing my interest right now. Okay, even though the market is ranging, but it's piquing my interest on the H4 chart. I'll come back and explain, right? If we've got time, okay? If we've got time, okay? CAD JPY is coming together. GBP CAD. Let's see on the H4 chart what's happening. The reason why I'm on the H4 chart, guys, I wanna open up the trades and just let them run. You know, I don't wanna babysit my trades. Like I want some trades that you know, can pop for me. You know what I mean? CAD CHF. Okay, okay, on the H4 chart, we'll wait for that after the news. Let's hit it. Okay, GBP AUD. GBP AUD looks like it wants to change direction. Volatility is good on the H4 chart. Okay, now you know what? GBP AUD is also interesting. So I'm just going to write this one down. GBP AUD. So what I like to do, guys, sometimes I will like analyze the entire market, okay? And then I won't take trades immediately, but I'll go through them and see, okay, okay, this is a signal that I would take, you see, and then I look at all of them that I'd potentially take, and then I would pick